Imagine you don't have the key and you're going to use this tool to make a new key. I'm going to be talking about a key cutting machine that fits in the palm of your hand. It's a code originator barrel lock key cutter. Have you seen these round keys? This cuts those keys so beautifully as to not hardly believe it. And you're going to need this. It's very inexpensive. Lockpicks.com. This cuts the standard round keys. There's 3 different flavors of these keys. Let's get into the show. All steel. The cutter's self-contained, goes into a case-hardened sleeve. Key barrel slides over this part, and then it indexes around in circles. This is your indexer. This comes with the tool to slip down on these notches of the key to find out just what the cuts are for us to make a key. This is the standard key, 5 to a pack. Get yourself any of these locks, this will fit it. How about this one first? This is Compex. Here is the Compex key. And then you just push slightly forward and it turns it. We're going to make a new key. This is made by Southord. Has a rubber handle, and these are picks. You loosen up this chuck that holds the picks. Slide them forward, just like that. And then you push it down, nice and flat. Tighten your chuck up, probably about that tight. You'll experiment. I put a blue mark where the pin is on the inside. It helps me find my way easier. Now all you do is you stick this in, you go push it in a few times, and then try turning, pushing it in a few times, try turning, pushing it in a few times, try turning. Takes a second or two. There we go, we're through. Look at how easy that is. Tighten up this chuck. And that locks all these in place. Now we're going to read these pins. So it changes sometimes when you tighten this. I impressioned those pins and pushed those picks backwards. All these little picks. And that's exactly what the key is now. Here's the key. And those are the same cuts on the key. I wrote this up. I've already read the key, so here's our worksheet. You'll be so glad you waited. Now we're going to make a key. Here's our machine. It slides right on that. And then you got to pull your cutter back to turn it. See? And we're going to be at number 1. Clicks right in. So we have it. We're on 1. Now see, you can just click it, whatever cut you want. So there's number 1. This will bottom out with that bushing. You just go through every cut, and the machine makes it really easy. I don't know what I'd do without it. You gotta have this on your truck. It's great for cutting 1 or 2 keys in the field, and it's so impressive. Whoever watches you do this will think, wow, I wish I had that tool. Notice how easy it is. You just index every cut. There's 7 cuts to these keys, and it makes it that easy. Ah, does not work. Oh, yes, it does. Oh, good. I was starting to lose faith in mankind. Yeah, it works great. Works perfect. So buffing on it a little bit helps. So there we have it, guys. Trial and error to some degree. But you know, these keys are very inexpensive. And the locks are too. So it's worth investing in a nice handheld code cutting wonder. You get full directions. It really is a great machine. Highly recommend this one. There's the model number. If you don't get this in your arsenal, you won't be able to do tubular locks. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Come on, guys, get this into your arsenal. There you have it, lockpicks.com. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and then we'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future.
Redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying